So, you want to learn programming, but you're unsure what programming language to learn. This is a position that every programmer has been in at some point. Over the last few years, JavaScript has made a name for itself as an incredibly popular programming language, especially for beginners. You may be asking yourself, why should I learn JavaScript and not other programming languages? That's the question we're going to answer in today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why you should learn JavaScript, to help you make a more informed decision about which programming language you should spend your time learning. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 1. JavaScript developers are in demand and well paid. Go to the #1 job search site in the world, Indeed.com, and enter the search term JavaScript. You'll find over 44,000 jobs requiring this skill in the United States. Run the same search on LinkedIn.com and the results are in excess of 74,000. Not only are JavaScript developers in demand, they're also well paid. In the United States, JavaScript developers earn an average yearly salary of $100,000 US. As you can see here, JavaScript developers are both in demand and well paid, and that's the first reason why you should learn JavaScript. Number 2. JavaScript is beginner friendly. Compared to many other programming languages like Java, Python, or PHP, JavaScript offers one of the more beginner-friendly entry points into the world of programming. The great thing about JavaScript is that it comes installed on every modern web browser, so you don't need to set up any kind of development environment, which means you can start coding with JavaScript right away. Number 3. JavaScript has a massive developer community. As the most popular programming language in the world, JavaScript has a very big community of programmers. It may seem not very important for you at the beginning, but as you start learning and need some support and help, the size of the community can matter. But what does this mean for you? Having access to a large programmers community makes it easy to find other like-minded people who can support you along your learning journey. Don't know how to fix a bug? You'll be able to fix it by asking for help in a community. Do you need to understand a concept? You could ask another programmer. Stack Overflow, Dev.to, and GitHub are just a few of the many communities with dedicated JavaScript developers. Number 4. Wide range of usage. In my opinion, this is the most important reason why you should bet on JavaScript this year. By knowing only JavaScript, you're able to build an entire web application from backend to frontend. There's lots of JavaScript frameworks which allow us to easily build front-end applications like React.js, Angular, Vue.js, and many more. For backend, you don't need to learn any other programming languages. It's enough to use Node.js framework and learn a little bit about databases and API. Not only that, JavaScript also has a solution for mobile applications. In this case, no matter if you would like to create a web app or mobile app or even a desktop application, you can use JavaScript for any of it. Number 5. Lots of sources to learn. On the internet, there are a great many of resources to learn JavaScript. This is an extremely important factor of the programming language that you choose to learn. In the digital world, you don't even need to go to school to learn. All you need is a computer and internet connection to start learning. In case of JavaScript, you can find a lot of video tutorials, books, boot camps, online courses for free on platforms like freecodecamp.org, skillshare.com, coursera.org, youtube.com, and more. Just with passion, focus, and consistency, you can do it and become a JavaScript developer in a few months. In the description of this video, you'll find the best JavaScript book, ELOQUENT JavaScript, for free, to learn JavaScript from zero to hero. That brings us to the end of the video.